Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video we will learn how to install Anydesk in Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11. To install Anydesk, simply go and open up any browser. In my case I'll open up the Chrome browser. Go to New tab and here type in for Anydesk and hit enter. And once you are here, just go and click on anydesk.com. Here we are. Click on download now. So it would here the download has started, and just go and open it from here by clicking on this. So here you can see the Anydesk software has started. And it says install Anydesk. Simply go and click on install Anydesk on this device. Click on this. It says create store or install Anydesk printer. You can uncheck it if you do not want to use the printer. Here we have desktop icon. We have start menu. Just go and click on accept and install. Click on yes. So here you can see, you can simply go and click on get started, and here you can see we have successfully installed Anydesk on Windows 11. And hope this tutorial has helped you. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.